Hello friends. Hope you guys are good and doing well. So this video for those friends who wants to upgrade Windows 11 but their system is not reaches the minimum requirements to upgrade Windows 11. So today I will show you how you can upgrade Windows 11 without losing any data or settings. Here I want to say something. I already installed Windows 11. My computer also wasn't even meeting the requirements of Windows 11. But I installed it. Now I will show the steps. Just follow me. First of all, open Google and type Windows 11. Now go to official site of Microsoft. And download Windows 11. Here select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then select Language option. There are many languages. So language you can select according to your preference. Your operating system should be 64-bit. Click on it. It will show download option. Just download it. I will cancel it, because I already downloaded it. When you're downloading complete, then go to Windows 11 containing folder. The Windows setup should be like this. Now open source folder. Here you have to delete this file, because this file will automatically check minimum requirements of your PC to install Windows 11. Now here all Windows files are encoded in Windows ISO form. So Windows will not allow you to delete Windows files. Now there is one way to solve this problem. We have to copy Windows files from ISO to normal folder. Just copy all folders and file to a new folder. Copy all files. Then create a new folder in desktop. And paste all files in the new folder. Then again go to the source folder and delete this file. Now go back and click on Setup. Then Windows 11 starts run to upgrade. Here just follow me, please don't miss any step. Click on Install. Then Windows will start install. Here I have to cancel it, because I already installed it. But you have to be patient, it will take time to complete all Windows installation. It will automatically restart when Windows will completely install. Now open Google and search for Driver Booster 9. Then go to this side and download the program. Click on Free Download. When downloading complete, open it for installation. After installing the program, click on Scan option. It will scan all your old drivers and update them to accordingly to Windows 11. Then click on Update Now option. Now be patient. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. After updating all your drivers, reboot your PC. When your PC will restart, go and uninstall the driver booster program. Now check your PC, it will work so smoothly. Just love it. So this the way to install Windows 11 in not supporting computers. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe GB Guru for more interesting videos. We always need your support. So stay safe till next time. Have a good day.